I've never read any book in my life. So after joining DNA today, within 50 days, I've completed 4 books.
Reading books and listening podcasts and audiobooks. These are the key things which are helping me a lot to improve my fluency and language.
But after joining here, no, I just not only give you, sir, you that the good path that how I can improve. I also get knowledge that how I can change my psychological problem, and I learned that it's necessary to love own self first, accept own self as I am. Other is not important. At first, me is important. And if I don't respect myself, if I don't love myself, how I can improve?
Before joining this DNA, I never read any English books. Yes, I just read books of vernacular language only. But after joining this DNA, I an experience of reading so many books, so many English books, which is very valuable to our life also.
Hello friends, good morning to you all, and today again we are here. Me and my students are there. They are here to show you the right path. They are here to motivate you. They are here to share their experiences. But in no way they are here or we are here to advertise our institute. No, we are not here. We know what kind of training is available here, what kind of training we provide. And in no way don't take it as any advertisement video. No, it's a motivation video for you people. You also can get motivated from these people and see how they have improved. So stay tuned. Don't leave halfway. These people will give you some important tips which will help you to become a better communicator, because they themselves were not good. They had lack of confidence. Today, you can see there, they are in here, they're in front of the camera, facing the camera, and that much of confidence they have. They are from different parts of India, different backgrounds. So let us go and understand how they have done it, how they have achieved this. Come on, friends. Let's start. Here we go. Good morning, all.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Right. Good.
Good
So
morning, sir.
let us start here. First of all, okay, let me talk to Mohammed. Hi, Mohammed. Good morning to you. Introduce yourself from where you belong to and tell how was this improvement? I mean, what you did exactly and how you have got better.
Yeah, hi. A very good morning. Firstly, thanks for the opportunity to speak. My name is Muhammad. I'm basically from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, currently based out of Kolhapur. I joined DNA 50 days back, if I'm not wrong. Like before joining DNA, I was little bit, while speaking, I have got little bit fear. That fear made me to not to pronounce a proper sentence, not to speak properly, not just it's a mind block to me. But after joining DNA, I've learned many things. So that confidence, today you give me any topic, I can come and I can speak. Okay. Not only that, before joining DNA, Sandeep sir used to say that the people who will not read any book except academics. So I belong to that category. I've never read any book in my life. So after joining DNA today, within 50 days, I've completed 4 books. Okay, so the daily habitual things, I've increased my vocabularies. I'm continuously joining the coordinator session. So there also like that some kind of procrastination was there. So I myself become a coordinator then. So it improved me to conduct the sessions. Then it made me very much interaction with the people. So I'm here to, I want to be a student for life. I'm learning a lot from DNA. The people from different thought of schools are coming together. They're putting their thoughts here. So I'm getting knowledge through them. So which is really helping me. I can speak very confidently to anyone now. So I don't have any fear, any nervousness, anything is there in my mind. So thanks to DNA for helping me to speak like that. Thanks a lot, sir.
Oh, very nice. I mean, you said about your habits and you said about the consistency and you are a coordinator now. Dear friends, if you don't know, a coordinator is a person who conducts different speaking sessions, different group discussion sessions. And these people lead the group. They decide which topic to take and they conduct the sessions. And people who are confident, they reach that level in our institute. Fantastic, Mohammed. Let us go ahead and let me talk to, okay, Lata. Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all. Okay.
Good morning. Now tell us from where you are. Tell me.
Yes, I am Lata from Kerala. I am working in a Kerala-based corporate company, Muthoot Fincorp Limited, as a branch manager for last 20 years. So at that time of joining in my job, that is before 20 years, English is not much important. But today, in competing the world, English communication is very much needed. So in order to develop my English communication, I just joined, before joining this DNA, I just joined one more institute, which is also Kerala-based one. They give a assurance that everyone can learn English within 2 months. So I also joined that institute. But within two months, I learned nothing except some grammar technique. They teach us some grammar technique, but it will not help in my English communication. So instead of, I got so much confusion also, that whether people coming from vernacular medium like me is able to, whether we are able to get a good communication, whether we have a good English. So this much confusion in that situation, I just, yes, I have a burning desire to get a good communication. At that time, I just saw our DNA one or two YouTube. So my mind indicate that this is the platform you needed to develop your English communication. So I just joined this DNA, and still, sir, I remain that day. That is interview day. That is, I can't able to speak even one or more sentence, I think. So you accept me, you give appointment to me with my broken English. So from that onwards, I feel so much confident, so much discipline in my life. So now we are in this stage. Thank you giving me an opportunity to talk in this session, sir. This is my actual journey from my background to this DNA, sir. Thank you,
Really
sir.
nice. Yeah. Yeah, I remember the interview day. Most of the people who come to me before admissions, they talk to me. I try to understand them, what's happening there. But they're very nervous when they are speaking to me. And but afterwards, I see that slowly their nervousness fades away and they get better and better and better. Yeah, that is exactly what's happening here. Thank you, Lata. And we have now here Amit Kumar. Hi, Amit Kumar. Good morning to you. Introduce yourself and just tell us about how you got this courage to face the camera and come here and speak with everyone.
Hi Sandeep sir, good morning. Myself Amit. I come from Rajasthan, but currently I'm staying in Kochi, Kerala, because I work here as an engineer. So first of all, thanks to you sir for giving me this big opportunity to be here. And I'm the oldest student of DNA. I think I have successfully completed more than 5 months here, and I have learned a lot key skills of life, not only particular for English. When I joined the GNA, sir, I was like Mohammed, sir. I never took interest in reading books, but as I joined here, so now I have fondness towards books. I love to read a lot of books. So reading books and listening podcasts and audiobooks, these are the key things which are helping me a lot to improve my fluency and language. Language is a byproduct of all the things which I'm doing. On the first day, I can't forget the word Sandeep sir told me and had imparted a powerful instruction to us. English is nothing. Earlier, I had a great fear towards English. What is English? I was so confused. I was in turmoil that how would I learn? But Sandeep sir mentioned that English is nothing. He divided into two parts. It is a 80% psychology and 20% of habit. So that the court had removed a fear over my head. That thereafter my journey began here, and I have consistently following all the things which Sandeep sir you mentioned, and it is the result of that thing. I am here in representing myself, and I'm just telling those things which I did in a past 5 months. uh, I'm curious to learn more things about the English, because now I got a platform here where I can begin my journey. So I can't say that I become the perfect in the thing, but I have achieved some excellency in the particular field. So thank you, Sandeep sir, for your instruction which you have imparted on me. Thanks.
Thank you, Amit. Thanks a lot. And I can see that the discipline is there in you. As you said, like you have adapted new habits, and that has like made the changes. I will come back to you. Subra, hi. Good morning to you.
Hello, sorry. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah.
And good morning, my all friends. Okay, I'm Shubhra. I'm from West Bengal. And I just share my experience, my DNA experience. Yes, okay. Before joining DNA, I am very much fear in English, sir. Very much. If I just talk to others now, I think to myself, okay, I have to be perfect. And other judge me. So I just stammering when I speak in English. And it is just sent me just some depression. And I feel fear, I feel depressed. I can't know that how I can overcome this. So I'm searching some mentor who just give me some knowledge that I can overcome this. So I got you, sir. And after joining DNA, I get some knowledge. And now I feel that knowledge is power. I am suffering some psychological problem because again and again I told to myself that I am not good in English. So it is not right to me that I speak to others. It is not right for me that I'm doing better in my life. But after joining here, no, I just not only give you, sir, you that the good path that how I can improve. I also get knowledge that how I can change my psychological problem. And I learn that it's necessary to love own self first, accept own self as I am. Other is not important. At first, me is important. And if I don't respect myself, if I don't love myself, how I can improve? And then I very not that is change is come by suddenly. And you always told, sir, that is a marathon. And this your all word, I always remember that sir told this, and that gave me the courage. And now the stage have come that once time, that time I feel fear and I don't feel easy to speak in English. Now the time come that I feel easy and busy in my habit that you give me a sir to just every day the routine. Now I enjoy the life. So thanks to you, sir. Thanks, you have changed my life.
Well, that's really fine. I mean, because I believe that the way, first of all, you look at you is very important. If you believe that, well, I'm not good enough, my English is not very good, I'm bad. I mean, you can call it as, in short, some low self-esteem is there. If you don't like yourself, it affects your English. Because in India, English is connected with our intelligence. English is connected with our success. English is connected with your education. The better English you speak, the better highly educated you are. That is what people think. And first, this mental barrier has to be destroyed. Mohammed, my question to you is, how do you think, like I always say, psychology is very important. 80% is psychology and 20% is habits. How do you think 80% psychology is there? I mean, what's your opinion on this?
Sir, you're exactly right that 80% psychology and 20% is rest. Because like I was a bad reader, so I believed in myself. Not only the reading things, if you take a day-to-day habituals also, I am a person who used to go to bed late and used to get up very late because I'm a very, very party freaky guy. I used to go to bed by 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the late night, and I used to get up by 8 o'clock. But since today also I'm going late to the bed, I'm getting up by 5:15 or 5:30. So I've never used alarm in my life, never used, but I'm getting up. So that psychology I've said that, yes, I have to get up, I have to read, I have to learn something. That curiosity, all those things are making me to get up. And I'm doing, sir, I'm sure that I've never missed a class of you. In 1 month, whatsoever the situation it might be, I've never missed. I was always on time. So all those psychology was there in me. Due to that psychology, all my mindset has been changed. The belief what I have, the belief is not true. So I've changed my belief. So I have started believing in myself that I can do it. If somebody is doing, why can't I? So all those things has led me to, I'm just developing myself. I'm sure that one day I'll be a very successful person. So that everything has been developed after joining DNA, to be very frank and very upfront.
Fantastic. Lita, role of psychology in your communication, how your mindset affected your communication, how it has improved, how your thought process has changed now, or
Yes,
what
sir.
new thoughts you have acquired.
Yes, sir. Before joining this DNA, I have a thought, a belief that a person who have coming from English background can only speak. A person who have a good grammatical background can speak. But everyone can learn English. This is a learnable skill. I think so. This skill, learnable skill, if you have got a good platform, best platform, we can learn this skill. After joining this DNA, I have got so much confidence in my communication level also. I think so. Because in my, as I daily I got so many mails in my laptop or in my computer office system, or whenever I got a call from my head office or any from superior, most of the calls are in English. That time I have got nervous, I have got fear. Then how I can reply, how can I get contact them. So today I am faced with most strong strength. I can face that call. I can easily reply that call because of this confidence. Whenever we get a confidence, whenever we increase our confidence level, we improve our life also. I think so, sir. So before joining this DNA, I have got so many misbelief. I think so. It is an irrational thinking. That irrational thinking can be overcome with so many habits, that is English habits. You are talking about that 20% English habits that can be achieved, that we are following some English habits. Even though it is occupies in 20%, it is a vital role in our English communication. That is, it involves reading, listening, audio visuals, speaking. These are all the habits, which plays an important role. If anyone continue these English habits, certainly they will acquire that success. Then next one I acquire from this DNA is that discipline in my life. Discipline in my life is that as a working human, we have got so many limitations. That is, we are playing so many works, that is in my office, in my household chores. At that time, I have a confusion that whether I have a time to input my time to self-improvement also. But I have a confidence that whenever we need a self-improvement, we should find a time. Then how can we get the time? We should sacrifice our entertainment. In that way, I sacrifice my entertainment. Yes, sir, of course. If a person wants a successful, he should sacrifice three things. One is sacrifice his sleep. Second one, sacrifice his entertainment. Third one is sacrifice his comfort zone. Here, I sacrifice these three things. Then I get an extra time. Then I get a discipline. Yes, I have a time to invest my time in my self-improvement. In that way, I enjoy my life. I think one day I will definitely reach my goal. That is a good communication skill. Still that I enjoy the process. If you're involving in our process, yes, Mohammad are talking about it's a byproduct of the commitment. So definitely every person can reach the goal if you are committed in our daily process, daily routine. So, yes, sir, I coming this DNA for getting only for good communication, but I learned so many things like discipline, confidence, reading, listening habits. Before joining this DNA, I never read any English books. Yes, I just read books of vernacular language only. But after joining this DNA, I an experience of reading so many books, so many English books, which is very valuable to our life also. So in that way, I enjoying my process. Yes, definitely I will reach my goal in one day. That day I will call you, sir. I need a good platform, but God, you give a best platform to me, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Natasha. That's fine. I'm waiting for that call. Yes, thank you. Okay, so Shubha, tell me now the role of psychology in your improvement. I mean, how mindset changed and how it has impacted your English and how it has impacted your everyday routine and everyday life.
Oh, yes, sir. So first off, I said I share story of my life. Okay. Before joining here, the last 3 months, I'm suffering some headache problem, vertigo problem, and I went to a lot of doctors, and they told give me lots of medicine, but I can't get rid of from this. And some doctor told me do brain scan. So that type of mentality I have because I am very much negative, very much negative. But when I joined here, no, sir, and I just starting to join every day and follow my routines and follow the coordinated session. I join here, and every your session, the psychological session, I listen minutely, and I start to follow this. Before joining here, I love to read books. So after when I reading book previously and after joining here, that time when I read not only read, I start to get some information what is very necessary for me. Before that I only read, but so after joining here, my this vertigo problem now just gone automatic. It's I am free from this. So I feel so happy that this is my psychological problem, because when you are negative, that time it affect our body. So thanks for this platform give me just emancipate me from this body the problem. And so for me psychology is very much important. And secondly, I can say that how I communicate other. You told me us that here nobody criticize us, so that give me strength. When I participate in coordinating session, I start to enjoy my everyday coordinating session, and that time I don't feel fear that everybody judge me or I have to be say perfect English. And one thing also, that psychology is the main matter, sir. English, that you told us that it is a language. You grip this with your practice, but you have to know the proper way. This platform give me the proper way. Now I can follow this every day follow. And one thing, sir, your psychological session. Now, sometimes, sir, I told to myself that I'm so grateful that I'm not good in English. Speak in English. As because I'm not good English, so I'm connect with you, sir. And not only I improve my English, I also improve my psychological problem, my negativity. I just leave it. And that is the main matter. That is the great achievement for me. And also that your every word, I already speak, sir, that you told us, disturb, it is in our hand. Be insult, it is everything, it is in our hand. So if I want to change my life, it is possible. And when you, sir, you told many times, you say your story, no, and that time now we are connect with our life with you, sir. that if sir can change his life, so why not I? We are not coming from other world. So that's your all speak. And when you speak Nasar, we feel that we get the positivity, we get the purity. And this purity change our life. So and every day, when you every Saturday you take the session, so we are waiting for you for this session, sir. Today, sir, give me something, and that for me better for me. And if I follow this, I definitely change my life. So by this process, I think that psychology is the main part, sir.
Absolutely. Thank you. And who better than I can understand the importance of psychology? Because I myself have gone through many troubles and disturbances in my life. Today, I'm very confident and very firm, very disciplined, very focused. It's only because of my psychology. It's because of my thought processes. Amit, last year, tell me, Amit, how this change of mindset has impacted you and your communication, your discipline. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir, you are absolutely right, sir. Psychology plays a vital role in order to learn anything, not only for English. Uh, as actually, when you mentioned that there is a 80% role of the psychology and 24 is for English habit, so I was in confusion that, sir, how it can be true. But because everybody claims that English grammatical method is very essential for learning English. So, but later it was proven right, and you proved it right. So, sir, how? As you mentioned that when we learn something new, we expect that we must learn it quickly. So we must be perfect in that thing. But you told that psychology, if you go with the psychology says that learn slowly but learn firmly. So I got to know that yeah, I can be perfect within a 21 days or 30 days. I have to be touch the line of excellence ability. So that key thing helped me a lot, sir, because not only I uh, I improved myself day by day, but also I became patientfully in those days. Otherwise, I may quit in between a 20 days or 30 days in hope of learning quickly. Second thing, sir, you said that don't wait for the excellence, don't wait for the result, and don't be nervous when people laugh at you. Yes, definitely, sir, people make it laugh us. So you said that you can't control others behavior, you can control your emotions. So that thing helped me a lot while facing some new person. When I deal with new person, so they made laugh at me. That time I remember your thought. Yes, I can't control them, but I can control myself. Okay, don't face those person who don't respect you or don't love you. So third thing is English is not to impress others. English is to express ourselves. So because you said these things, so now I'm staying focused on how to express myself rather than impressing myself. So these are the key important formulas which I remember while I face new person, and which helps me everywhere. And one more thing, sir, I like to mention here about the your psychological game. That we live in a different surrounding, sir. So it is hard to be find even mind person here. But the group and the platform which you have provided, so mentality is the same. So this is the holistic development is happening here in this group or in this platform, which is very needed for everyone, not only for learning English, but also acquiring new skills in our life. And one more important thing I like to address here, sir, which I found unique here, that people they show respect and have courtesy for everyone, which is unique here. In other words, or in other organization or group where we work or where learn we go for study or education, people are not so generous and courtesy like here. So these surrounding is also impacting us to learn new things. And I'm fortunate enough that I didn't learn English in my childhood, because sir, if I learned the language in childhood, So I never developed the habit of reading, listening, which are very important for every human being. We must read something or listen something. So sometimes I think that okay, I didn't develop the language in childhood. No, but because of the language, I came to you and you guided us many more things. We are very important for. So I can say I'm not learning English, but I am getting everything beyond my expectation here. So
Fantastic.
thank you, sir.
Fantastic. Well, guys, you have done a fantastic job, and this was the purpose of this video, is to tell the facts and to reveal that what we are learning. To let everyone understand, let everyone learn, those who are watching our videos. Because I know how communication is important in our life, especially in a country like India, where your job and your package depends on your communication. You people have done hard work to acquire your degrees. But nowadays, only that is not sufficient. Only good education qualification is not sufficient. You must have good expressing skills, communication skills. And unfortunately, we are misguided. We don't know the right methods. We end up frustrating ourselves and getting somewhere at the wrong place. I'm proud that I have found out something which is really helping people. The real, organic and natural way of developing the language. And today we have done a great job so that others, those who are watching us, have understood that the mindset is more important than selection of each and every word. Friends, fantastic, and I'm proud of you. But as I said before, and I say every time, this is a journey now. Just continue with this. This journey should not be stopped. You will leave my institute one day, I know that. But don't leave my teaching. Don't forget my teaching. That should stay with you. The best way to respect a teacher is to follow his teachings. And this is what I've been saying, that our journey has begun. It's a commitment, it's a lifestyle which you have to follow. Thanks a lot, friends, and have a great Sunday. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks for giving this opportunity, sir.